Today's topic is independent events. Then what is independent events? If A and B are two events such that the probability of occurrence of one of them is not affected by occurrence of other events, such events are called independent events. First theorem, the probability of simultaneous occurrence of two independent events is equal to product of their probability. Means we have to show that the probability of simultaneous occurrence of two independent events, means probability of A intersection B, it is simultaneous occurrence of two events A and B, is equal to the product of their probabilities, means is equal to the probability of A into probability of B. Since we know that the formula probability of A intersection B is equal probability of A into probability of B by A, and probability of B does not depend on A, then probability of B by A is directly equal to probability of B. We put this value here and get the required result. Now if A and B are independent events, then A bar and B are also independent events. Means we have to show that probability of A bar intersection B bar is equal probability of A bar into probability of B bar. Then in order to find probability of A bar intersection B bar, from De Morgan's law we have probability of A union B whole bar and probability of E bar equal 1 minus probability of E, means 1 minus probability of A union B. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Open the bracket, 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B plus probability of A intersection B, then 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B common, positive into 1, and probability of B common, then 1 minus probability of probability of A intersection B. Since A and B are independent, then we can write probability of A intersection B is equal probability of A into probability of B. It means 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B, and A and B are independent, then simultaneous occurrence of these two events is equal product of these events, means probability of A into probability of B. Now probability of B common, then is equal probability of A, and 1 minus probability of A to 1 minus probability of B, and 1 minus probability of A means probability of A bar, 1 minus probability of B is equal probability of B bar, then probability of A bar intersection B bar equal probability of A bar into probability of B bar. It means if A and B are independent events, then A bar and B bar are also independent events. It is the condition for independent events.